Y'all, I'm so sorry I'm out there today. I really do hate not being at school, but please make sure you're being phenomenal for the sub, doing everything you need to do, staying on task. As a reminder, if I do get any names written down, I don't really care what the explanation is. If your name's written down, automatic lunch detention. So let's just avoid that whole situation and be phenomenal today. So your opener today was, are figures A and B congruent? Explain your reasoning. So I'm hoping for number one, it was pretty quick for you. Your explanation should have been no, they are not congruent because figure A is smaller than figure B, right? Congruent shapes have to be the same size, so they are not congruent. Now, if we're looking at A, or number two, it says, is figure A, B, C, and D, E, F congruent? If so, explain your transformations to map one to the other. Yes, they are congruent, right? If you were able to look at corresponding sides and angles, they would match up and be the exact same length and degrees. So now we have to think about, okay, how can we map this to the other? So what I would have done is I would have went ahead and reflected triangle ABC across the y-axis to get us at least flipped to the right direction. So A would end up being here. This is A. C is here. And then B would stay where it's at because it's on the axes. And so then we would go ahead and draw our new triangle. Now, the next thing I would do personally is that I know I need to rotate this. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate our new ABC, the red, around the point B though. So I'm going to go ahead and make B our new origin and rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, which means if A is currently at 1, 2, 3, up 2, it's going to flip. So from 3 to 2, it's going to flip to negative 2, 3. So negative 2, 1, 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So our new A is here after a rotation. Our new, let's do double prime. Our new C is 1, 2, 3, 0. Then it's going to flip 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is our new C. And B is going to stay there, right? C prime. And B is going to stay here. So now we have our green triangle. And the last thing we have to do now is translate this up 1, 2, right 1, 2. And that's going to map right on top of DEF. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know.